How to change leverage in Metatrader 5. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will see how we can change language to English in Taobao. So without further ado, let's get started. For that, if you're using the application and if you want to change the language to English, you cannot find the option to change the language to English in the application. So in that case, you have to go to the web browser, open up Chrome in your device, and in the search bar, search for Taobao, then head towards the www.taobao.com. Now to change the language to English, tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner, and here search for the option as translate, then tap on it, and that's going to translate the English, or that's going to translate the language into English, as you can see here. So that's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.